In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to update your DocuWorks trial into a licensed software. So right now I'm just opening my DocuWorks desk, and you have seen there that that's a trial version. So if you have not seen that one, you can go to About DocuWorks and you can see here that it's a trial version. When it's already a licensed version, the license number will appear inside this box. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed with license management. So going to license management screen. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, it will then prompt with a configuration if you wanted to continue, and it will ask you if you wanted to agree with the software license agreement. Now, normally this is for trial edition, license, and subscription edition. You can see it right there. So I'll go ahead and proceed to accept this license agreement. After that, it will present me the license management screen. Please bear in mind that you're going to be needing to do that for the first time. So if you are, opening license management screen for a couple of times now, you won't be seeing that license agreement anymore. Okay? So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to go to register license. From here, we will be needing to key in our serial number that we need to activate for this DocuWorks. So let me go ahead and put that in. Once you key in the serial number, press add and you can proceed to click on next. Now you will be asked if you like to activate via internet or use file to activate the license. Now, I did have a video on how to activate offline. Okay, so that is use file to activate license. This is an offline activation, but I do have internet access on my computer right now, so I'll proceed with the recommended option, which is use the internet to activate the license. Press next. Now it will then ask me to log in with my Fuji Xerox Direct account. Now, this is the one tied to um, the download option for the ISO file. And if you're downloading trial, you are asked to actually key in your Fuji Xerox Direct account to get the DocuWorks trial version, so or the installer, and for the updates as well. So what you need to do is to just key in that email address and password. If you don't have that, you can select member registration so you can create your own account. Okay, but I actually have my own, so let me key in those information. All right, so once that's done, just press next. It will then proceed with the activation. All right, now that it's successfully activated, just press completed. From the license management screen, you should be able to see the serial number and the status being activated. Then it means that your DocuWorks is now activated and no longer in trial mode. So let me exit the license management screen and let you see the DocuWorks version right now. Okay, so from here, earlier it says that it's on trial, right? Now it's saying that this product is licensed with the following serial number as your licensed, license number. So there you go. If you do have any further questions, you can let me know. I'll be happy to see what I can do with that. Thanks for watching this video.